What if I told you you can build your own software without learning coding, without hiring developers, and without wasting months of time? All you need is an idea and the ability to describe it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how beginners are building apps using AI step by step. And guys, if you want to learn how to turn this into a real income streams, check out the link in the description. And when you scroll to the bottom, you can easily get registered to our next live webinar. Okay, this new way of building is very simple, guys. Instead of writing code, you just tell AI what you want. For example, you can ask create a tool that helps users track habits and sends reminders, and the AI builds it very easily with design, logic, and everything you require. Think of it like being the director and AI does all the technical work. And here is how you can start today, step by step. Step number one is pick your AI tool. Okay, you need to start with an AI tool that can build apps. For example purpose, in this video, we are going to make use of Lovable. You can try it absolutely for free. Okay, and you don't need to be technical person over here. Just start experimenting. Okay, step two, start small. It's very important, guys. Don't try to build a big app like Facebook right away. Start with something small like a habit tracker, a small calculator, or a basic tool for a specific problem. And step three, use the prompt loop. And this is the real secret. You give instructions, AI builds, you test, and you refine it. If something looks wrong, just tell it to fix it. That's it. For example purpose, let's say you want to build a simple app. You can say, let's say we can make use of this small prompt, create a clean landing page with an input box and a button that generates headlines. Then improve it, okay, make it modern, dark mode, and more user friendly. And here click on this arrow button on Lovable, and within a minute or 5, you'll be seeing this kind of landing page. Okay, and you can start testing it. Okay, that's it. You're building just by describing. That's it. You're not writing any code in the backend. To get better results, be clear and specific. Build step by step. Fix errors by pasting them back to AI. So if you want anything inside this, and if you want to develop it rather more than the simple generator, you can please ask it to add some more features, not by just creating the headline. You can ask create the headline as well as the description. Also you can also ask like create a logic behind the YouTube channel, how these videos would be working, and how to generate this title description according to the algorithm, and it would be doing that for you. Very simple. And guys, remember, clarity is equals to better output. Once you build something useful, you can charge monthly for accessing it, build tools for clients, or use it for your own business. For that purpose only, I've asked you to get registered for the next webinar, which we are going to conduct really soon. Link is in the channel description. Go get registered and come to know how it would be working and how you are going to make money from that. You know, this is how people are turning ideas into real income. You don't need to learn coding anymore. You just need to start. And if you want a step-by-step guidance, as I said, a complete system to build and earn, check out the link from the channel description. And guys, subscribe for more, and let's build together.